How to fix Snipping Tool not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, you want to right click on the Start button and then go to Apps and Features or Installed Apps. Now you want to search for Snipping Tool. Now in Windows 11, I think it's replaced with the Snip and Sketch. So to repair the Snipping Tool, first you gotta uninstall it and confirm to completely uninstall it. And then we will need to reinstall that from the Microsoft Store. Now for the snipping or for the snip and sketch tool, we can click on it and then click on advanced options. Scroll down, click on terminate and then click on reset and click reset again. Now once it's reset, you can close this and try to launch the snip and sketch tool. Now for the snipping tool, we want to open the Microsoft Store and then search for the snipping tool. Click on it and then click on get to install the snipping tool again after rebooting our computer. Now once you install that, it should work. When you click on open, it should launch the snipping tool or the sketch tool for Windows 11. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.